everyone, it's Molly. I am going to do a kind of basting injection technique tonight. I'm going to see how it works. So I have an 8 by 24 inch canvas. I'll put my colors down below, but it's gold, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, aqua green, paynes gray, and white. And I have thinned my white down considerably so that there is no trace whatsoever on the cup. It literally is like almost like water just going in there. So I'm going to pour my big cup of white. A little bit more. Okay. And then I'm gonna set it on there even though it's already got a coat on there. I don't wanna do that yet. Let me see if you can see that. Yeah, that's good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this baster. I got it at the dollar store. And I'm gonna suck up the colors and inject them into the middle of this white. So let me see how this works. Kind of bubbling up a little bit. Ooh, that was a big bubble. I'm not going all the way to the bottom in the cup. I love the design that's making. Last one is gold. I'm just gonna wipe this off real quick because I don't want all my blue going in my gold. It's made some really cool rings around the side as well. So that is what my cup looks like now. And I'm just gonna pour this out and then spread it around. So I probably could have gone down a little bit further in the cup, but let's see what happens. Let's see if there was any color down below. I kind of like that it added that negative space to it. It's almost like a marbling effect. Get that little bubble out of there. Oh, here's some of that gold down here. Stretch that out a little bit. I don't want to lose all those cells on that side. Stretch those cells. There's no silicone in this. I think it looks light and airy and beautiful. I want to leave a little bit of negative space on the corners there. So I hit this with a torch again on this side. see what other bubbles pop up in the middle. Really beautiful. It almost reminds me of like just an ethereal type cloud. Just want to blow that little. Give that a little bit river of gold right there. So I'm going to keep playing around with that. That is my own spin on an injection technique. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Okay guys, this has sat for about 30 or 40 minutes now. Look at those cells. Let me get out of the light. Super cool. This is the other one. It's already started to dry on the edges. Very cool. So, there they are. All right, thank you guys. Bye.